Please take this particular one. 5 Nigerian celebrities don't actually get their masters. Last week, as I tell you, Brian will come outside, tell a particular fan where they beg her for money to go to school, say, leave school. You don't need qualification and school results for you to actually make them leave school and pursue your dream. A lot of people, including Freeze, OAP Freeze, come outside actually support waiting Brian will do talk, say, true, you don't actually need education for you to be successful. But we will actually give you 5 Nigerian celebrities where get their masters. Number 1, LD. Now, Larry Dabiri, better known as LD, him actually don't get masters for inside architecture. Wow. So
bravo.
Okay, then maybe finish, then we'll put Brimo and put all the celebrities side by side.
We need to.
I'm just saying it so that people can understand.
Is that a meme?
It's a meme.
No, it says, or is a meme.
Now, number 2, Ebuka Obiuchendu.
Ebuka get masters.
I swear. Now, Ebuka is a Nigerian lawyer and media personality from Okija in Anambra. They say Ebuka don't actually get a masters for inside law and government. Wow. He don't actually get masters. And he get them from Washington College of Law.
In which to clap for.
You can imagine.
In law.
You can imagine. And him, actually, they host one of the shows where all of us will Bobby Minds. All right, number 3 for inside the matter. Yes, even though say Papa get money, na DJ Kopi.
Nah, yeah, she just completed her master's
recently. She just completed her master's recently. Apart from the fact that her papa gets money, she don't need to go to school to get money. She don't need to go to school to start to work a big company.
Forget say the papa
but she realize say
people, get people where their papa be the way them be more baba lower they never complete. So
you can imagine for a rich man picking to even go to school, you can imagine how important education is.
Because she don't need to go to school to live a good life.
She's already rich on her own for crying out loud.
DJ Coffee. Let me just be picking out the clothes you be wearing.
Herself. Maybe just
you see why Bramo is what?
He's building himself.
Yes, as the finest musician of all time. All right. Now, number 4, make we look at Afiz Oyetoro. Now, I know you say Afiz gets masters.
I beg, I want to hear the story.
Afiz actually get masters. Now, this particular comedian and theatre art practitioner, he do actually get a master's for inside theatre art for Obafemi Awolowo University.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
You can imagine.
Saka.
Who go believe say Saka get masters?
You can imagine.
My sister, he has a master's.
He got first one. Sorry, he actually got the first one where he get the SC for Obafemi Awolowo University. Then later, University of Ibadan for him to do a master's. Now, nobody gonna say he actually don't go.
Nobody.
Even me self shocked me like, wow, beautiful. And they're gonna make noise say Saka na illiterate kini copy where with their mouth gonna drop like we don't know.
You see?
In fact.
You see? And the last one, to see. Now, Neto Chukwu, better known as Neto C, a Nigerian rapper, and he don't actually get MSc for inside energy studies for University of Dundee in Scotland.
You're not talking well. Him na the first MC to get an MSc.
Yes.
He use and sing for himself.
Number 10.
Thank you, Yes.
Okay, I want to say something now. LD is not actually there inside the music industry for a while now. We know that.
Yeah, we know that.
But still, Eddie is doing well.
Oh, yes.
Ebuka is the presenter. But still, Ebuka an ambassador to some companies. Afiz Oyetoro, on the other hand, him an ambassador to a lot of companies.
And I hear say he even be lecturer.
Yes, he's a lecturer, yes.
Oh. Then, who was the last person? Neto C. Neto C is doing well on his own. Now, let's look at Brimo. Where he tell a fan, where he beg him for money. Say, make he go school, and say, make he not go school, make he actually chase a dream. And he called himself a finest musician of all time.
Brimo is doing well. You never hear good morning, no more good.
Why is it that the only song?
Because now this no be shade or anything, but now the only song where they my head readily when you call Brimo.
You know, funny enough, every time I remember Brimo, I remember when he come on the stage. Yes,
with
Brimo,
singlets,
and some kind pants like
I know if you forget on.
The pictures today in my head like this.
No, that's the sign of an educated man.
Finest, one of the finest.
When you see educated men dress, you go, no.
Yes.
Yeah.
All the people where we they call now, you know, see as them dress. Oh, why we not get picture of Brimo?
We forget to. He's a very funky, nice dresser. No, I'm serious.
Yes, he wears singlets around town.
As in, baddest singlet, not the one where they buy 1,000.
Oh yeah, like this go to show.
Designer singlets.
Skip, why you keep aside? They want to attack us. They'll say, so skip, you not talk.
I get family. So we don't get family, I get small picking.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.